Good morning, friends. How are you guys doing today? You're doing good. Some of you might be happy, some of you might be sad, some of you might be mad today, but I hope that you all feel better. I'm wishing you well every single day because I miss you guys so much. Can you just give me a gentle high five before we get started? Boop. Awesome. So today we're going to be reading a brand new story that Miss Hines just got, and it is called The Best Mouse Cookie. If you like to eat cookies, like really like to eat cookies, you just love eating them so much, can you raise 2 hands in the air? Yeah, I love to eat cookies too. So we're going to be reading about a friend and him making the best cookie ever. If you're ready to read, give me 2 thumbs up. All right, friends, arms up. Down, down, down they go. Down, down, down real slow. Bring them to your ears and then turn them on. We'll read again. All right, so we are putting our spoons in our bowl. Our ears are ready to listen, our eyes are ready to look, and our mouths are quiet. The Best Mouse Cookie. Oh, looks like he made a trip to the grocery store. Wonder what he has in that bag. The Best Mouse Cookie by Laura Numeroff and illustrated by Felicia Bond. Mouse has everything he needs to make cookies. So he has some eggs, some sugar, some salt, some butter, and some other ingredients in there so he can make some delicious chocolate chip cookies. He adds salt, he adds flour, and a little music. Oh yeah, I'm making cookies. Woohoo! Mouse thinks baking is fun. He just tossed up an egg in the air. Well, sometimes. The bigger the drop, the louder the plop. So he's rolled the cookie dough and now he's dropping it onto the cookie sheets. And he's doing 2 at a time. That is so cool. But now, Mouse needs a nap. He's so tired. He was working so hard. He makes himself comfortable. So he's kicking back and relaxing. Oh, but a little too comfortable. You guys, what is going on inside that little mouse house? Yeah, the cookies are burning and his house might catch on fire. But oh well, Mouse doesn't mind starting over. So he just took out the burnt ones. He did not get mad. He did not start kicking things and throwing a fit or hurting his friend or his family. He just threw the cookies out the window and he's gonna make a new batch. There's no such thing as too many cookies. Look at all of these cookies he has. Is he gonna be able to eat them all by himself? But the best cookie is the one you share with a friend. So he's sharing with a friend. You know what his friend is saying? Yeah, he's saying thank you because it is very kind to share. They're making green choices. Just ask Mouse. The end. All right, friends, thank you for joining Miss Hines today again in reading our story, The Best Mouse Cookie. I hope that you guys are staying safe at home and you're still remembering to keep all of our pre-K promises, because that is very, very important right now. So if you can keep your pre-K promises today, give me a gentle high five. Boop. All right, awesome. I miss you guys, and I will see you next time. All right, bye.